Hi! I was studying for my calculus test later on in the day in about half of these clips, so you're going to hear a video going on in the background. I am so sorry. I don't know how to get rid of that, so bear with me, okay?
Let's see anyone beat that.
Functions that we should pretty much memorize. The first one is when you take the derivative of a constant, derivative of x to the power of n. This is called the power rule because it's a power. Is equal to derivative of secant of cotangent of x first is equal to negative cosecant squared of x. So you see kind of the pattern. It's just going to be the negative, and then you take the cofunction of whatever function. So if
let's see anyone beat cosine, that.
The cofunction of cosine is times dy dx plus derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. No dy dx because you're not taking the derivative of y. And then x times y, that's product rule. So if you do f prime of x times g of x, so derivative of x is 1 times y is just y. And then derivative of y is just dy dx. It's 1 times
Didn't even
dy
break
dx,
a sweat.
X just stays up. So it's x times dy dx equals derivative of any constant is 0. And x is equal to 1 over root 1 minus x squared. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but it just involves right triangles and trigonometry, as you probably expected. For inverse cosine, it's just going to be negative of the same thing, so negative
That's how it's
1
done.
over root 1 minus x squared. Finding the value of an indeterminate limit, I think we mentioned this earlier, but if you have a limit that goes to 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity, it's called indeterminate, which means you just can't plug it in and expect it to work. Kind of like that sine x over x we saw before. And so what L'Hopital's rule is saying is that if you have an indeterminate limit, the limit as x approaches a of f of x over g of x is equal to limit of as x approaches a of
I'm
f
the
prime
best.
of x over g.
I hated this level. My aim is horrible in any game, and this did not leave me any room for error. This one level took me probably about an hour to actually ace, and oh my gosh, it made me so mad. I've never been so mad at a level before in my life. I was celebrating after I finally beat it. It took me so long.
Let's see anyone beat that.